go.
Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be going.
Cheerios.
Yeah, and don't forget to join the Discord in my bio. Okay, let's get into
And
this.
let's get into.
I will do.
Alright.
Should we go a different direction?
Follow me. I know where we can go.
I don't see anything so far. Oh,
Run,
no.
No.
It's right there. It's following you. It just threw that at you.
Oh my god.
No!
No, do not get.
No!
Get my stuff.
It's right there, Ah! Yeah, I should have done that. Go get your stuff quick. Did you shoot it? No!
I shooted it.
Let's go, quick, go.
No.
Where are you?
Bro, 1 second. He's coming after me. Distracted.
And I'll try to. Hey, Monster Shrek, get over here.
I'm about to kill it. Move.
How do you kill it? Shoot it! Kill it!
Oops.
Make it step on the dynamite. Make it step on the dynamite thing. Oh, okay. It's
here. Oh, 1 second. Let me get the other revolver out.
Can I have a gun? Okay, let's go. Get that. And what is this? Get the grenade. Let's go.
Alright. Wait, let me create it. Alright, let's go.
Let's see. What did I put in there?
Let's go, bro. Let's go.
A stick. Okay, let's go. I'm coming. Let's see. Okay, let's go. Oh. Long arms. I have long arms now.
Let's go. He's walking. He's walking towards this way.
But he's not walking fast, so that's a good thing.
Yeah. Alright, once he gets past us, oh, he's walking the other way. Go. Bro, follow me. Go. Walk forward. Wrong way. Where's he at? Oh, he's going that way. Let's go, bro. Go. Where are you going? Bro, go quick. Oh, my backpack. What do you mean?
Where do we go now? This way? I'm gonna let this
go get the brown thing.
What is that?
It's something dumb.
Can it kill you? Oh.
No.
So it can't kill you? Oh no.
No.
Get a flashlight out.
Whoa. Huh?
Get the flashlight out. Okay, let me.
1 second. Alright.
Okay, let's go. Parkour.
Just what I needed.
So we're gonna put this down.
Oh crap, I'm not making it. I'm not making this.
What do you mean?
I'm not making parkour. Cause
Where are you?
I'm over here.
You're in lava?
No, I'm over here.
Oh! Almost fell.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait for me, bro.
There's a Coca-Cola right here. Somebody was. Oh! Monster!
Oh, it's an NPC.
It's
Don't be scared.
Oh! Almost fell to my death. It can't kill you?
No. Wait, yes, it can. Back away.
Are you sure?
Oh!
Help me!
It can!
Why'd you say it can't? Ah! Help me, what's it
That was quick!
Shoot it! Kill it!
Alright, bro. We killed that. That was not a success.
That scared me so bad. Okay, get the
This
big
is my
flashlight.
last bullet.
Okay, get your flashlight. What? Why is it moving? It's getting up! Let's go, hurry!
No, it's not. There you go. No, it's not getting up.
There's an umbrella right here.
Get the umbrella.
I can't put it on my
umbrella
back.
here.
Put it on your
There's
back.
two umbrellas right here.
It'll make you
There's
fly.
two umbrellas right here. There's two umbrellas right here. Follow me. I'm lost. Where do we go?
Okay, I'm just gonna. Where are you?
Over here.
Let's go this way.
Who's that? No, I've already went that way. There's nothing there. Oh, we gotta do this.
Oh no. I probably have to let go of the umbrella.
Mimic! Oh. Mimic.
What? What is it?
Mimic right here.
What is that? Oh! What is that? What is that? Give me one. Give me that. Give me the gun.
Go, go, go!
Go on this thing.
That was something
Where are you?
very bad.
Where are you? Come right here.
Right here. I can't. I can barely even walk.
What's over you? Oh no.
Well, let's go back. Let's go back.
Are you sure? We're gonna. Oh, I got my umbrella. There, it makes it so easy.
Oh, Mimic! No, wait, hold on.
Where is it? Where's the mimic?
Do not go. Jump down here. Do not touch anything.
No. Oh no! Mimic! It's a mimic! There's a new mimic!
Do not touch it. Do not even think about making eye contact with it.
I already made eye contact with it. Oh no! The bomb guy's right there.
I'm coming back up and I'm gonna kill Mimic. Where's he at?
He just went the other way! Oh no.
Come here.
Oh.
Come for me, Mimic.
Oh, I found a new place! Ow! It's following me! Help me! I'm about to die!
It comes for me. It should be. You screw him, Mimic. Look at him. I'm something.
I'm not gonna look at it.
Oh my God, that almost.
Oh, that scared me so bad. Where's my... Oh, okay.
Crap.
What's my health? Doesn't tell me what my health is? Oh no. It's honestly so scary. Oh no, it's another one! It's another one! There's another one in that room. I just saw another one in that room.
We can. Alright. I'm about to kill it. I'm about to kill
It's
it.
in that
Come
room.
here.
No.
Come here. Now come here. Wanna play? Let's play.
Did you kill it?
I'm
Okay,
about
stop.
to. I just did.
I don't have any.
Oh,
Weapons.
exactly what I needed.
What do you need? Ammo? Nice. It's moving. Let's go before another one comes.
It is mimic by mimic. Just keep spawning, bro.
We just. Okay, I'm gonna be on Discord.
Alright, let's go kill chicken.
The bomb guy, you mean?
No, chicken.
His name's Chicken.
No. Ah! Oh my god!
It's following me! Help me! I'm about to die! Oh no! Help me! Help me! Help me! No! It's following me! Help me! I'm about to die! Oh no! Help me! Help me! Help me! No! I died!
What about you?
I died!
We died.
No!
Did you die?
Yes! Took all my stuff! I'm gonna come back.
Did you die?
Yes! I'm coming back, where are you?
I'm over here.
Bro just punched me. How do I kill him? I need something to kill this guy. Let's keep punching me out of the way.
Where you at?
No, he's right here.
I can kill it for you.
I cannot see anything. He's punching me. I don't have anything. I don't have any of my flashlights or anything. No, he's killing me. No. No. Oh, I know what to do. Let me get some dynamite and some. Let's see. Let's get the stick.
Can I kill for you, alright?
Okay, I'm gonna go get some grenades. So that's the end of this video, guys. Hope you liked the video, and peace out.